not just competition, but commitment and courage. May I now invite our top 5 finalists to step forward and take their place on stage as we prepare to announce the result. Music, please.
Everyone, let's all give it up for the top 5 finalists.
The moment of truth awaits.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I request your attention as the former second runner-up of the Orange Queen Contest 2022 will take a graceful walk on the stage. Let's all welcome the second runner-up of the Orange Queen Contest 2022, 𝘓𝘦𝘪𝘢𝘭𝘪𝘢.
Miss 𝘓𝘦𝘪𝘢𝘭𝘪𝘢, the second runners-up of the Orange Queen Contest 2022, will be crowning the second runners-up of the Orange Queen Contest 2025.
And also the first runner-up will be crowned by our judge, 𝘔𝘦𝘥𝘪𝘢𝘭𝘪, second runner-up Orange Queen 2004, Miss India Icon 2024, Mrs. India Congeniality International 2025.
And the crowning of the winner will be done by Miss Estrella Luwang, Femina Miss India 2023, second runners-up.
First of all, I thank God for His grace and blessings throughout this remarkable journey. I extend my sincere gratitude to my parents for their unconditional love, prayers, and support, which have been my strongest foundation. Today, as I take my final walk, my heart is filled with gratitude and emotions. Besides me are the 2 queens, Miss Susanthi Nongmaitham and Miss Hilary Janu, who unfortunately could not walk alongside with me tonight. I really wish we could have shared this final moment together for one last time. During my reign, Manipur went through challenging and painful times. This journey has taught me the importance of unity in diversity, and I sincerely pray for lasting peace, healing, and prosperity. My heartfelt gratitude goes to the organizers of Miss Orange Queen and the Tamenglong district for believing in young women and creating this wonderful platform that allowed us to be a part of promoting our delicious oranges and celebrate the richness of our land through this festival. I sincerely wish the Orange Festival continue growth and grand success in the years ahead, growing stronger and brighter with each passing year. My warmest congratulations to the queens who will be crowned tonight. As you step into this new chapter, may you carry your crown with pride, honor, and responsibility of promoting the sweetness of our land and the spirits of our people wherever you go. As I take my final step today, I do so with pride and gratitude. This journey has shaped me in ways I will always cherish. The crown may be passed on, but the memories and the lessons will always remain. With that, this is 𝘔𝘦𝘥𝘪𝘢, your Miss Orange Queen 2022 second runners-up, finally signing off. Thank you Tamenglong for the love, honor, and the unforgettable memories. God bless Orange Festival.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we crowned our Orange Queen 2025, let us remind ourselves, every contestant who stood on the stage tonight is already a winner, carrying the pride and spirit of Tamenglong. May I request everyone to hold your breath as the moment we have all been waiting for is finally here.
Right, the moment that we all have been waiting for, like said earlier, is finally here. The envelopes of the winner is in my hand now. And please bear with me as I open the envelope. All right. The second runner-up of the Orange Queen Contest 2025 is contestant number 13, 𝘔𝘵𝘃𝘁𝗧𝗏.
Congratulations, contestant number 13, 𝘔𝘵𝘃𝘁𝗧𝗏.
Citation and cash prize of 75,000 rupees. Congratulations, contestant number 13, 𝘔𝘵𝘃𝘁𝗧𝗏, for securing the second runners-up position.
Ladies and gentlemen, based on the judges' final evaluation, we would like to announce the first runner-up. The first runner-up of the Orange Queen Contest 2025 is contestant number. Any guesses? Yes? Contestant number 12, 𝘔𝘦𝘪𝘢𝘭.
May I request our esteemed judge, Ma'am Dizilunli, to kindly come up on the stage to crown the first runners-up. Ladies and gentlemen, now the moment of crowning the new queen is here. The moment, the crowning of queen of the Orange Queen Contest 2025, the moment where one's life is changed forever, one's destiny is changed forever. And that moment, I would like to share it with my co-host, 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗲𝗺.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the wait is over. The lights shine brighter and the hearts beat faster. It is time to announce the Orange Queen 2025, ladies and gentlemen. Are you guys ready? All right, the winner of the Orange Queen Contest 2025 is contestant number 14,
𝘓𝘓𝘪𝘂𝘃𝗲𝘓. Incredibly magical moment for one's life. Congratulations, contestant number 14, 𝘓𝘓𝘂𝘓𝘓𝘂𝘓, for being the winner of the Orange Queen Contest 2025. May I now invite Miss Strella Luang, Femina Miss India 2023, to crown the new queen of the Orange Queen Contest 2025 of the 18th edition of the state-level Orange Festival Tamenglong 2025. Before the second runner-up, the first runner-up and the winner of the Orange Queen Contest take the final walk, may we invite the remaining two ladies to take the final moment, to take the final walk. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us with a round of applause as the two remaining ladies take the final walk on the stage. Congratulations for coming this far. Good luck for the future. Thank you for being with us here tonight. And now, the winner, the first runner-up and the second runners-up of the Orange Queen 2025. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. May I also request our esteemed judge, Sri Gaigongdin, sir, to kindly come up on the stage for a photo, please.
Yes, we would like to invite all the panel of the judges and also the former second runner-up for the photo session with the Queen, first runner-up and second runner-up of 2025 Orange Queen Contest. Ladies, we will have a photo session along with our judges. and girls, as we conclude this remarkable journey, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our contestants, judges, organizers, sponsors, and our wonderful audience for making the Orange Queen Contest 2025 a grand success. Once again, congratulations to all the winners and participants. Thank you to Tamenglong for your love, support, and enthusiasm. Thank you so much. Good night, everyone.
And with that, we have come to the end of the 18th edition of the State Level Orange Festival, Tamenglong 2025. All of you have been such a lovely audience. Thank you for being with us here tonight. Until next year, have a good night, everyone. Thank you.